Everyone, this video is going to show you how to ensure that you have the ability to be saving not locally to your computer, which you can save to your desktop or to your documents, but to ensure that you have everything saved to your Google Drive that's physically stored on your computer, so they have it accessible on any computer you have, and you're also backed up. So first thing we make sure is on top we do have Google Drive. It is installed on your computer. One way you could tell is that on the top you'll see a little triangle showing you that it is installed. Another way you could see is that you could actually go to your Finder, and on the left hand side you should see Google Drive, and it'll have all the information that is in your Google Drive. Another way you could find it is you could go to the search and you could search for a drive, and Google Drive should be one of the options that are there. So the fact that it's installed and it's on your machine, if you're in the midst of working on things and you save things to your desktop, that's fine. You could always take your Finder, go to your Google Drive, and then take your files and put them within your Google Drive. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically store them to your cloud, so you have access regardless of whatever device you have. Now, another really cool thing that you can do is some things I'm working on, for instance, graphics. So you can use these tags to make it easier to find where you want to store things. So if I wanted, for instance, my graphic tabs, right? I had these Spiritware documents that are images that I would like to use for a website. I applied this images tab here. So all I did was just use two fingers and touch onto that word, and I chose a tag. And since I called this one images and it's red, it's as easy as going to now images, finding that folder called graphics, and I'll take these two and just drag it in. Because that folder is in my Google Drive, it is now stored in my Google Drive even though it's tagged like that. So if you had a bunch of stuff that's in your Google Drive and you want it to be easy, like very easy to access it, it's as simple as taking one of those folders or files, right click on it, choosing one of your tags, and then if I go to that tag, it will be there. So that's a really good way to be able to kind of find your information that you have on your computer, store in your Google Drive so you have access to it from wherever you are at any time. And on top of that, using tags and make it easier to find that information. Hope this helps.